If you're looking to supercharge your lead generation and track conversions effortlessly, SuiteDash is a platform that can simplify these processes. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into how SuiteDash works for lead generation and conversion tracking, and by the end, you'll also find out if it's the best tool for your business needs. First, SuiteDash offers a seamless integration of CRM, marketing, and automation tools, which is great for small to mid-sized businesses looking to streamline their operations. Now, when it comes to lead generation, SuiteDash provides multiple options. You can easily create and customize web forms for lead capture on your website. These forms are then connected to your CRM, so you can instantly track every new contact and get real-time insights into who's engaging with your content. This kind of automation helps eliminate the manual work, but it's not perfect. Next, let's talk about SuiteDash's conversion tracking. Once you capture leads, SuiteDash gives you the tools to set up pipelines to track the conversion process. You can monitor how each lead moves through the sales cycle and easily identify bottlenecks that might be slowing down your conversions. However, some users feel SuiteDash's tracking capabilities could be more granular and offer deeper insights into conversion patterns, especially when compared to other platforms that specialize in advanced analytics. The fourth thing SuiteDash excels at is integration with other platforms. Whether you're using email marketing tools, project management software, or other CRMs, SuiteDash integrates seamlessly with your existing workflow, making it easy to sync data and ensure all your tools are working in unison. But if you're running a more complex operation or need advanced integrations, you may find SuiteDash's options to be somewhat limited compared to competitors. Now, let's discuss automation. SuiteDash allows you to set up automated workflows that can trigger actions like sending emails, assigning tasks, or updating CRM entries. While the automation feature is useful for lead nurturing, the setup can sometimes be complicated for beginners. There's a steep learning curve here, and if you're not tech savvy, it could slow down your process. Finally, while SuiteDash offers solid features for lead generation and conversion tracking, there are some alternatives that may suit your needs better, especially if your primary goal is maximizing lead conversion. We've done some research, and we found that some competitors offer more intuitive interfaces, better customer support, and more robust features for tracking conversion data across multiple channels. Here's where it gets interesting. Through our link in the description, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial of SuiteDash, so you can explore all these features without commitment. But don't stop there. We've also included some alternative platforms that offer even more powerful tools for lead generation and conversion tracking, and yes, they have free trials too. Check out the link in the description for the best trial offers, plus some amazing alternatives you can try out. Don't miss out.